Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Well, see the killer your way everybody want kill. 10, 11 years me they at the tops. But Batman not coming on this shit out. He said he is. Well, don't know script to this nigga shot a sticking up boy. No more time, nigga shot a kicking up. Hey, my guy, my boy speaking up boy. Yo, well, see the killer you want to come and he can't kill. 2011 years, pull up. Yeah, these sounds of greatness, already, you know. Hold on, wait for. Sell out the rhythm. Back to, I got you. Moscow, them that run like Lasco. Riverton, we gunshot not this year, them Riverton. Crackburn pen, the crackburn them. Me 50 caliber was right too. I'm more than 2 feet with him. They them look like toothpaste, but me must this. Why you must see a bomb, man? On a bulletproof as a bomb. Bulletproof face, make for me that chin. Me want to do. Oh, me want to do. None of them no better than me bomb, man. Wanna watch time for what time for Diamond Rabbits? Yo, demand them, let me see the DJ. Clear up. Brass. Level. Let me check now. Level. And some boy with them pants down here, so. I come see man and I beg them. You see the boy they were beggy. Them name Jennifer, and them could never name Jennifer. Every man of them done and then Jenna. Cool it? Well, damn ya. First one of them people know what they know. Oh, see me look, so them can get fit. So them all start come and stay trophies down way. Sound of them. Well, all of the business. Then. Pull up. Yeah. Mix up Shaka. Fire mix. Big up on yourself. Shaka. It don't matter who get the million. Shaka. Who know all doing good. Big up get to use. Cause you see the boy them don't want to walk. You know so they want to take walk. You see any boy beg man. Man will do what? Well, I can't believe how them the boy get so cool. There's some rest man that turn fast you all. And the little take of them get so cool. What you want? One job. Never let no problems get you down. And just stay focused and know you. Don't seem so pissed. There is no progress. Never. Me not take no U-turn. Or no U-turn. Can't till me dead. Anyway, well, send me your money, don't say one that. Pull up. Yeah. Anyway, let me tell you this now, Guinness. Yesterday when you booked me for work, telling the security people at the venue, don't try to style me. Cause the security out there telling me I need a band. I need a band. I need a pants. Next time we'll have to book rough cut to Ross. Well, look into my eyes, tell me what to say, can you feel my pain? Give us a better way, things are really bad, the only friend I know. Once the killer gave me your originality, what's the shot in? Run them! And on them! Cross, angry, run a rebel. Sure. Get on my nerves sometimes, listen man. After we come here for nights of the people, and listen we don't get on people. As Shaka said, don't come with your wrongdoings. You know sometimes decision, but don't mash up something that's good. This is elevating the young sons and in the street who don't get the big exposure. It go on TV, it go live all over the world. This is a platform. Please, don't do the wrong thing. And every decision you ever like. Okay, some boy can't say ill. Cause them have a one heap of skill. Yeah. What house? Say it you. Riverton. One tongue. Hear them. Tell them, man of bad one, so we know. Now if you do this. Why one drunk gun in the building? What then? Come on.
Easily, 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 easily. Man, I beat them easily, 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 easily,